Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Many of you feel that we want to succeed, but we face failures. We want to be successful. We work hard. We do so many things. Even then, why we have to face failures? So today let me discuss about the reasons for failure. What are the reasons for the failure? Even after trying for years and years. They try for years and years for some particular exams and are not able to succeed in that. Then what is that? First thing is fear of failing. They themselves are afraid that they are going to fail. My parents are spending such a lot for me. They are having such a big dreams for me. I am going to fail. What I will do, or I can't pass. This is what they feel inside their subconscious itself. They are having this fear of failing. So this fear which is inside their subconscious, it, instead of encouraging them, it brings them down. And for this, how you can overcome this fear? For this, you have to focus, you have to motivate yourself, and you have to practice well for the exam. You practice so well that there won't be any chance of failing. So practice, practice, practice. This practice with full concentration and confidence, you can overcome this fear. Another fear is some students suffer from failure or fear of the unknown. They are simply scared. If you ask them, I don't know, but I am scared, they say. So, they don't know why they are scared of. They are having the fear of unknown. This fear you can overcome by meeting a psychiatrist. You have to meet the psychiatrist and discuss with him about your fear, and this fear of unknown you can overcome. Next, that is the third fear, is fear of being unprepared. Your exams are there, but your preparation is not at all over. You have not prepared well for the exam or for the test or for the interview, whatever it is. Because of fear of being unprepared, you are failing. How you can overcome this fear? This is very easy. Prepare well. As I had told you for the first, practice well. Practice and practice. Preparation and preparation. So this will solve this fear. And one more fear some are having is fear of making wrong decisions. They don't know whether I am taking the right decision or wrong. Many times they feel that their decision might be wrong. To do or not to do, that is my problem. So they are scared of wrong decisions, because the decisions which they are going to take, They are not sure whether they are correct or wrong. And this fear will take them to failure. Another fear they are having is fear of rejection. Let them go for exam, interview, or even for any relation as such. They are having the fear of rejection. Inside them they feel, I am going to be rejected, I won't be selected. This fear is there inside, and this fear leads them to failure. Now, these are the reasons for failure. Many times, why they face failure, it is because of these different types of fears. Now, how you can overcome this fear? First thing is, you should prepare well, you should be confident, and self-belief. What is important? Self-belief. Believe in yourself. I can do it. I will do it this time. I won't let my parents down this time. I am going to do well. Whatever happens, I will prepare it. So, first of all, your self-belief, trust in yourself is very, very important to overcome these fears. Next is, you should be ready to work hard. Otherwise, many times what happens? Students don't work hard. First, they just spend their time in restaurants, hotels, cinema, mobile and whatnot. And when the exam comes, then they are bothered. Then they get scared. Oh, I am not prepared. What I will do and all. And you are knowing within a short time you won't be able to do this. That is why hard work right from the beginning, and see that where you are wasting your time. That also you should be careful. If you waste your time in just chit-chatting with your friends, this and that, or watching the mobile, then you have to stop it. Find out where I waste my time. See, time everyone is having 24 hours a day. In that, okay, needed for sleep and your minimum this thing, that is okay, I can understand. Then how many hours remaining? Then how many hours I am studying then? How many hours I am wasting? And this you have to find out on your own. Others can't tell because you are your own judge. You are knowing how you are doing all these things. So, here you have to have a check on yourself. You should have a complete control on yourself. And if you do this, you will get a lot of time for preparation, for your studies, whatever it is. And when you are having abundant time in your hand, you can use it well. And when you use it well, you will be very, very happy to go and appear for your exams. Why? Because you have prepared well. You have practiced well. You will be waiting, when the day of exam will come and I will finish my paper. So this should be your attitude, and it happens, I know, if you prepare well, you will be just waiting for the day of your exam. So prepare yourself well, and if you prepare yourself well, there won't be failure. There won't be any type of fears. That is why I have told you the reasons for failure, because when we know the reason, when we can overcome, we can find how we can cure it. Am I right? Acha, have a good day.